Hey everyone, my name is Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this neon graphic liner look using only a couple products and a very small brush. Alright, let's get started. Thank you all for watching. I hope you were able to recreate this look. You can do this with any color you'd like. This was a blend of two Suva Beauty colors that I used, and one was part of the UV Brights palette, and then the other one was the UV Hydra Fix. So these are water activated products and they're best used with a small thin brush so you can get this great graphic effect with really sharp lines. Another thing that would be really cool to add on top of this look if you wanted to do something a little bit more editorial is to top off the lid with a little bit of gloss, and make sure to let this dry before you do that. Other than that, I hope you enjoy and keep your eyes out for my next video. Thank you, like and subscribe.